You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To take the blade off, place it perpendicular to the arm and push. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new ones in place, insert them into the metal cylinder of the arm and flip it around. Delicately place it down onto the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 45 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off but in reverse. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.